J.Balvin and Nike Air Jordan 1 collaboration. Let's go! I want to dedicate this unboxing to all the reggaeton, Latin music lovers as well as Zumba dancers, but also to each and every one of you guys who love cool shoes. I'm so excited that I can share it with you straight from my home. My brother's shoes, he got them first, so today I'm opening his box especially for you guys. The eye-catching Air Jordan model in collaboration with J.Balvin are bringing really great colorways as well as amazing vibes. His vibe, his reggaeton, his positive Colombian vibe. And this coincides perfectly with J.Balvin's albums, Vibras and Colores. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly in Spanish. I just absolutely love these shoes. You know, this disruptive technique and innovation makes this shoe such a unique and fantastic model. I think we're ready to open the box now. Woo! We can see the very nice vibrant colors already on the package. So let's open. Wow! What do we have in here? Look at the paper. Oh my god. Here we have Jumpman logo, some basketball balls, lightnings, and also J.Balvin's smiley face logo. Oh my god. What colors! This is so beautiful. And this vibrant colors is the first thing I actually see, as well as light pink shoe sole. Wow, I've never seen a shoe sole like this. It's unbelievably beautiful. Let me take the other shoe out as well. Vibrant colorway. It's green, blue, yellow, red, and we can see disruption of the shoe, and that's actually what Balvin was saying in one of the interviews, that he wanted to disrupt this classic Air Jordan 1 model. So we can see these jagged edges and it looks really fun. We also have 3 exchangeable shoelaces. One is light pink, one is yellow, very neon-y yellow, and white. So we can change it depending on the mood. We can also see that they exchanged the Jumpman logo in the front of the shoe for the logo of J.Balvin. Exchangeable patches, basketballs as well as lightnings, and we have them on both of the shoes, you see. And here we have the smiley logo, here we have the Jumpman, and here we have another ones that we can choose from. I mean, this model is something else, and this light pink shoe sole, wow, this is what I really like. And here we see these nicely rounded edges. They are supposed to be similar to cloud. For Balvin, it was really important to really make a disruption in this classic silhouette. He really put a lot of effort and he put his creativity into creating this special model. This is just unbelievable. The shoes are not from leather, they are actually from material, but I think it's because of the disruption, because of cutting many elements, many lines here, so that's the reason. I also love the shoelaces and patches. I mean, wow! Thank you so much guys for joining for today's unboxing. This was something absolutely special for me, as I love dancing Zumba. I love Latin and reggaeton music to keep me energized, to keep me playful. Remember to subscribe down below not to miss another amazing unboxing coming. See you in the next video guys.